You're running your business blind. Here's why: because you don't track your data. And data, as I have come to find out over and over and over again, is the most important thing. Now, who am I to talk on this? Well, I've been community growth partner with Lifestyle Fan Group, and I've seen them scale from zero in a new offer to literally like 50K in about 3 months, and worked that course, which was a 250K a month info business, and made ads for the platform school. So, and when I worked at all of these places, the biggest thing that they did, or one of the biggest things that they did, was know their data. Because when you know the data, you know your shit. So, for example, with community growth partner, Dan, the person that won the school games, went to meet Alex Mosey and like the CEO of school. He literally had data sheet of like everything he was tracking, and I've started doing the same, and it has been unbelievably useful because then you know why you suck in the best way possible. Because if you track, let's say you do a call funnel, for example, and if you know your shop rate sucks, then you can actually change it. And all of this lies behind the fundamental principle, which is awareness precedes control. You can't control something if you're not aware of it. That's it. If I didn't know I had this hand, I wouldn't be able to move this hand. Really simple. And there's certain key metrics that I love tracking. So Hormozy talked about this in one of the masterminds that he did, which was his, I don't know who it was, relative, friend, I don't know, did weight tracking or weight loss for people. And they were stripping everything away till they found one habit which solved them all. And it was just stepping on the scale in the morning. Now, that is literally just awareness of what you do. I should probably look at the camera, not just my beautiful, handsome face. Anyway, so if you break that down, stepping on the scale every day, you can do it with other things, right? You can. Another habit he had was checking his money every day. So it's basically goal, data, frequency of habit. That's the framework that I broke it down to. So it's like, what's my goal? Well, I want to make more money. Okay. What's the exact data that I need to track for that? How much money I have in my bank account? Okay. So what is the action? Well, there's four things. What is the action that I can take to do that? Well, I can check my bank account. Okay. What is the frequency of said action? Okay. Every morning, right after I wake up, right after I brush my teeth, I check my bank account to see how much money I have. And those habits are incredibly fucking goaded. Okay, ciao.